What is up, everyone? Today we're gonna be doing a quick review on this solo bag from Vikingbags. Not everyone's a fan of saddlebags on the Scott Bobber, so this is a lot smaller and it keeps your Scott Bobber with that stripped down look. I have both saddlebags and the solo bag, which is nice because I can swap them out whenever I want. But here are the saddlebags that I mentioned. I have a video on these if these interest you. But here is the solo bag. So this bag is for the Indian Scott Bobber. I've had this bag for about 2 years and I absolutely love it. Really good quality, very nice bag. The bag is made from heavy duty leather. It has quick release buckles. They are plastic, but I've never had an issue with them. It's weather resistant and the storage capacity is 250 cubic inches. And it also comes with all the hardware included. I think it's a perfect bag to keep your Scott Bobber with that stripped down look, to carry all of your essentials. And the price is pretty reasonable in my opinion compared to other options out there. It comes at around $100. I don't know if that's changed, but I'm gonna show you everything that I can fit in here and walk you through a quick installation. You have another buckle in here. Keep my air pump, tire repair kit, and some other stuff that I carry. And the most important, my tools. So like I said, you can carry all of your essentials in there. Oh, I have one more thing. So the bag has a liner, which I really like because if I take the bike somewhere that I know it's going to sit for hours, I can just remove this and take all of my tools with me in here. That way I don't have to worry about getting anything stolen. For the installation, I'm not actually going to install the bag, but I'll walk you through it. This bag is only designed to fit on the right side of your motorcycle. You're gonna need a 6mm Allen to remove the 2 stock bolts on your motorcycle. You're no longer gonna use those, you're gonna use the ones that come with the bag. The ones that come with the bag, I believe they're 6mm as well. I don't remember because I had to get longer ones since I have a sissy bar, but there's one hole right there, and then you're gonna access the other one through the inside of your bag, right here. The tricky part about the installation is that you have to line up the fender with the stop frame cover, the bag, into the frame because they all share the same hole. It's not difficult though, it just gets a little tricky. But that's pretty much it for the installation, really. Like I said, if you guys are looking for bags, watch my other video, my Saddlebags video. It's a different style bag, but watch it, compare it, and see what fits your needs. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to help. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.